AgExpert Field is a farm management tool that helps producers plan, track, and analyze what's happening in the field and makes managing your farm easier. Getting started with AgExpert Field is easy. This video is designed to help you get up and running in AgExpert Field with confidence quickly so you can start tracking your field activities. After signing up for an account by visiting agexpert.ca, log into your account and go to AgExpert Field. From the dashboard, click Fields on the left. The first step is to start adding the fields for your operation. Click Add Field. There are 5 ways to add fields. The first way is by clicking Choose, searching your farm address in the top left, and using your mouse, manually find your farm and select a field. Clicking on an area will automatically populate the legal land description on the right. You can adjust the boundaries by clicking and dragging the boundaries as need be. Clicking on one of the smaller dots will allow you to further customize and adjust your boundaries and allow you to set the boundary of the field more precisely. You can click the Move boundary to move the entire boundary over, remove an area to cut out an area within the field, and clicking Clear Boundary will erase the selected boundary entirely. Next, enter a name for the field on the right, review the remaining information, and click Save. Repeat this step for all of your fields. The next way is by clicking Draw. Find your field using the search bar and zoom features, and simply click on each corner of the field to manually draw it. Enter a name for the field on the right, review the information, and click Save. The third way is by clicking Import and selecting a shapefile, which will automatically import the boundaries for you. Enter a name for the field on the right, review the information, and click Save. The Add Fields button allows you to import complex shapefiles that contain multiple fields with multiple boundaries. Lastly, instead of going to Fields and using one of these options to add your fields and boundaries, you can click My Farm Connect on the left and use one of our partners such as My John Deere, FieldView, New Holland, or Case IH to import your fields and boundaries. To use this option, you already need to have an account with one of our partners and will need your login credentials to connect. This option is usually the easiest, quickest, and most accurate way to import all of your fields and boundaries in one shot. Returning to the Fields screen, here you can view all of your fields by clicking the List option in the top right, or by clicking Map to view a satellite image of all your fields. Each crop year is independent from one another, and changes you make in one year will not affect the other years. You can click the Show Hide button in the top right to hide fields you don't plan on using in the current crop year. This screen also has several search filters you can use to quickly find your fields moving forward. To edit a field, simply click on it and click Edit Field above. You can start entering activities as soon as your fields and boundaries have been added. However, it is generally a good idea to add your storage locations, contacts, equipment, and inputs before you begin to help you with accurate activity tracking and reporting. Click Inventory on the left and click Storage Locations. Here's where we can manage our storage locations, such as our bins, or manage our storage yards. Click Add Storage Location. Find the storage location on the map, click on it to drop a pin, enter a name for it on the right, the capacity, and any other information you want to track. Click Save. Repeat this step for all your other storage locations. From the Storage Location screen, you can click on a storage location to edit it or to make inventory adjustments. Once you've added your storage locations, it is recommended to add any inventory you have on hand. To do this, click on a storage location to edit it, click Adjustment, and fill in the details on the right. Click Save, and repeat this step for your other storage locations containing inventory in the current crop year. Lastly, you can view your storage locations by grid or list, show or hide storage locations you don't plan on using in the crop year, and click Report to download a report of your storage locations. Next, you'll want to set up your contracts to enhance planning and reduce duplicate data entry. To add a contract, click Inventory on the left, and then click Contracts. Here is where you can manage your contracts and deliveries for your products. It is recommended as part of the first steps that you add any outstanding contracts from last year, if applicable. Click Add Contract and click Add Contract manually. Choose a crop and fill out as much information as possible. Click Save. You can also click Add Contract and click Upload Contract to upload a contract and save you time. The Deliveries option will be available after a contract has been added. To add a delivery, simply click on the contract and on the right, under the Delivery section, click Add. You can upload a delivery or click Add Delivery manually. Review the information and click Save. Next, we recommend adding the contacts you do the most business with as part of the first steps. Click More on the left and click Contacts. Click New Contact, fill in the information, and click Save. Next, add the equipment you plan on using. Click More on the left and click Equipment. Click Add Equipment. Enter the name of the equipment, a serial number, and a cost per hour or per acre. Click Save. You can also track maintenance by clicking on a piece of equipment and by clicking Add under the Maintenance section and filling out the fields as need be. Next, you'll want to set up your inputs for the products you use so you can track applications and calculate your cost of production. Click More on the left and then Inputs. Under Seeds, click Add. Select a crop, and under Variety, click Choose and select the variety. Enter the purchase price, seeding rate, and any other information you wish to track. Click Save. Repeat this step for all the other seeds you wish to plant. Next, under Fertilizer, click Add. Enter a name for the fertilizer, select the form, enter a density if applicable, enter the application rate, purchase price, and any other information you want to track. Click Save. Repeat this step for all the fertilizers you wish to use in the current crop year. Next, under Crop Protection Products, click Add. Click Choose and select one of the crop production products from the list. Enter a purchase price, application rate, and any other information you wish to track. Click Save. Repeat this step for all the crop protection products you wish to use in the current crop year. Repeat the same steps for any manure products you wish to use. The last step is to enter your activities so you can begin tracking the performance of your operation. In AgExpert Field, there are 3 ways to enter activities. The first way is by clicking Activities on the left, Add Activity, selecting the activity, the fields you wish to do these activities for, entering the details, clicking Save, and repeating this step for all the activities you wish to enter. You can enter multiple activities to multiple fields if you need. The second way is to click My Farm Connect on the left, and using one of our partners, you can import fields, inputs, and activities effortlessly into AgExpert Field. To use this option, you already need to have an account with one of our partners and will need your login credentials to connect. The third way is by using our mobile application. Simply visit the iStore or Google Play on your mobile device, search for AgExpert Field, download, and install it to get started. Getting started with AgExpert Field is quick and easy, as you can see. AgExpert is solid, simple, and built for the farm. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our customer care team at 1-800-667-7893.